Alright, so welcome to a quick video about how to do slope-intercept form. So let's go ahead and let's get started. Let's start off with the equation for slope-intercept form. The equation is easy enough to remember. It's always going to be y equals mx plus b. Now, what do these different letters mean? Well, the y and the x just stay the same almost always, so you don't really have to worry about those. The m, on the other hand, the m means the slope of the line. And then the b equals the y-intercept of the line. So every single equation that you have in slope-intercept form is going to have the slope of the line, m, and b, the y-intercept of the line. Let's go ahead and let's find out how we would use this. So let's say we want to plug information into the slope-intercept form. Okay, let's assume we have the following information. We have a slope of 5 and a y-intercept of 3. Now, we take the equation y equals mx plus b and we color code it, just like we did before. Well, I know that my slope is going to be 5, so it looks like my m will turn to 5 because that's my slope, and my y-intercept, as you can see, was a 3. So I replaced the m with 5 and the b with 3. And that's it. That's the equation for this line. That's the slope-intercept form for this line. Let's go to another example. So this one, let's say that you have a slope of -4 and a y-intercept of 6. Well, once again, you get your equation, y equals mx plus b. Let's color code. Now my slope is -4, so m is going to be replaced by -4, and b, the y-intercept, will be replaced by 6. Boom, that's it. So here we can safely say that our equation will be y equals -4x plus 6. On to the next one. Another example. Let's say you have a slope of 6/7 and a y-intercept of -2. Once again, take y equals mx plus b, color code it, and the slope, m, is going to be 6/7, and the y-intercept will be -2. So, voila, y equals 6/7x, and here, because we have a plus and a minus next to each other, we can just go ahead and simplify that to minus. So we have y equals 6/7x minus 2. And finally, let's do another example. Here, let's pretend that we're working backwards. We're given the equation and we need to determine what the slope is and what the y-intercept is. Well, my equation is always going to be y equals mx plus b. So if I color code and I take the initial equation that I was given and color code it, I can tell that m, my slope, is going to be -3/4, and b, my y-intercept, is going to be -2. And that's pretty much it.